Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota Tacoma 2001 to 2004? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma is located near the battery and protects key systems like the EFI, ABS, headlights, and alternator. It ensures reliable power flow to critical components and helps prevent electrical failures under the hood. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger fuse box in the 2001 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma protects circuits for the radio, lights, dash, and outlets, ensuring safe cabin function. The passenger fuse box in the 2001 to 2004 Tacoma includes relays for the blower, ignition, and accessories, ensuring reliable cabin function. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.